Ever wondered why we say, bless you when someone sneezes? The mystery goes deeper than you think. ACHOO isn't just a random sound. It's onomatopoeia, perfectly mimicking the intake of breath, followed by that explosive air release. While English speakers say ACHOO, Russians use upshki, and Koreans say achi. But here's the wild part. ACHOO is also a medical acronym for a real condition causing uncontrollable sneezing in bright light. The proper term for a sneeze? Sternutation. Next time someone sneezes, impress them with this knowledge instead of just saying, bless you.